Here I'm going to show you guys how to cut a key with an ilco key machine. I'm going to do a standard SC1 key.
This one right here? Oh, you already got it?
Already got it. Stick both keys in there flat. And take the guard. Bring it over a little bit and show right here where I got this. You make sure they're both up against the butt of the key. Make sure they're both secure. Put the guard back. Take the cut key out. Grind all the burrs off of it. And you make sure they line up, and that's how you cut a key with an ilco key machine. Peace out.